Kadosh, 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 Adonai, Sabaoth. Beloved brothers and sisters, Priesthood Melchizedek channel has a specific purpose and function. Assemblage of the Priesthood of Melchizedek, gathering human beings legally organized on earth, representatives aligned within and through the order and brotherhood of Melchizedek. You're not here by chance. Priesthood Melchizedek will assist you to remember who you are, why you are here on earth. The intent is to assist in walking the talk, doing while viewing. Take a couple of deep breaths. Pause the video if needed. Within that quiet place, join with me through your agreement and allowance. We will ask for assistance for ourselves and who we represent. Beloved and Holy Parent, we align within and through the office of the Christ and the current time-space coordinates of those viewing this video, giving recognition and thanks to the 72 brotherhoods, to the 72 aspects of the Sisterhood of Mary, the Order of the Mother, to those who administer the divine plan in our local universe, Michael, Metatron, Melchizedek. For those here gathered, in the here and now, in my part, James, Jermaine, David, John, Uri, birth coordinates 11071943. And for those gathered with me, participate, enter, through the power of the spoken word, your full legal name, your current time, space, location, and your birth date, the coordinate entry point for your physical embodiment of your life stream. And to ask assistance through our conscious release of all things of the past, and without speculation to the future, and without expectation of the outcome of this process, but in allowance of the opening of the heart for the infilling of our being with the breath of the Divine Mother, the Holy Spirit, to bring healing within the order, brotherhood, and priesthood of Melchizedek. Alignment to the Holy Trinity, divine deity, our parent, creator, source. And within and upon that authority granted, the request is to bring adjustment to each one here as needed, for themselves, for their soul group, within their spiritual divine commissions and free will choice, to utilize their God essence energy as an expression of the divine, that within us that we are, that each one may receive their part within the greater picture and plan, the ascending, descending programs administered by the heavenly hierarchy, so that their effort individually, as they so choose, may be amplified within that place and space of surrender, and asking of our Heavenly Parent, what is it that we can do in the now that best serves the divine plan? What is it in our life and living that will bring about the highest and greatest good for the whole of creation? And to that end, we ask to be in receivership of that guidance, adjustments, synchronizations, and coordination in our divinity. In all thoughts, all things, we decree divine right order. Kadosh, 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 Adonai, Sabaoth. Divine right order. Kadosh, 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 Adonai, Sabaoth. The prayer process, experience, and alignment if you entered into the Merkabah of light. Your experience was unique, dependent upon your consciousness, faith, trust, soul commission. The concepts and conceptualizations of this experience were lived, anchored on Earth beginning 1979. Live within a prototype Melchizedek community of light, ship Terra. Part of and complementary to other aspects of individuals and organizations commissioned in like timing. Aligned in expressing descending, ascending programs of the Office of the Christ. A compendium published 1982, Grids of Consciousness Unification, has further information and will be utilized throughout this channel to bring about what is needed and necessary in our service together. Please add your part. Amplify our effort. Act today. On YouTube, comment, add, and share your experience through other social networks with those you trust. Subscribe. Visit churchofthecreator.com. Set up a registered user account. Suggested for future action, in that we are aligned to collective service, having already gone through the individualized recognition of our divinity and coming to that recognition that our lives and living and purpose are to serve humanity and God while embodied upon this planet. Invite your most trusted spiritual, physical members, your family, those who behold you, do not judge you, and love you unconditionally. Come together physically, set in a circle, hold hands. Disengage from all other consciousness activity, internally and externally. Disengage from the memory membrane of the past. Disengage from speculation of the future. Disengage from all expectation. And once that unity consciousness is achieved, felt, and emanating and resonating throughout those gathered in the now, play the prayer, meditation, request, the video segment, the alignment. Participate collectively, anchor through the spoken word, your time-space coordinates, your life stream birth coordinates, your full name and geophysical location. Give yourself time to be in receivership. The answer, the prayer, the guidance to the request. When you close that and you come into this plane and dimension, as you view across your circle, each other, as you see yourself in another expression of God, unique, give everyone a chance to share their experience. Then watch this video or any other video within these channels or any other piece of information that resonates with those in your circle as wisdom and truth, and ask to be shown the truth of the matter from above the weave and tapestry through the alignment to that specific topic of your gathering. Wisdom, knowledge, and experience in resonating as a unified group within collective consciousness, cosmic Christ consciousness. Then add any further comments, shares, or likes, and subscribe to this and other channels. Focus on the message, not the messenger. As wheels within wheels, your part counts. Remember, we can only get home together. Please join with me As we heal and seal this joining, we will utilize a prayer, the dispensation. This church, this functioning body decrees, as long as it may serve this planet, this humanity. So therefore, are we prepared to be the instruments in which to serve the one living God who has placed a trust in us? So be it, and so it is. Until next time, Salah.